Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is, I'm just so happy to be sitting down and playing with makeup, trying new stuff. I've gotten so many things in the last couple months and I just have not been able to sit down and try them out. Been busy at work, just a couple things that have just been really crazy, but today I'm so excited to play with some color. We have a whole bunch of like kind of new stuff, some stuff I'm retrying to see if I want to keep it in my collection. If you want to see how I put stuff on my face today, then please keep on watching. Okay, so I got my brows and I primed my lids. Today we're going to be trying to go for this beautiful look by Stacey Marie. Her makeup is just perfection. I'll just dive right into it and then we'll come back to try all the new stuff on my face. Okay, this is what we are at right now. I am seriously in love with it. Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna kind of cut the side, then we'll finish our foundation. I'm just gonna go straight and we're gonna move on to foundation now. And for foundation, I'm retrying all of my foundations. I really want to go through them and see if I truly do like them. I'm trying to declutter a few. I'm trying to also just see which ones are my true favorite. Today, since we want to go a little bit more high coverage, why don't we try, we're gonna go back with the Catrice True Skin and see what we think of this. The reason I think I didn't like this as much was because it was quite yellow on me, but we will try it again and see how it looks. Everybody raves about this foundation, so I really want to make sure that I don't like it if I'm going to throw it away. And recently I've been into doing my foundation with a brush, which is very weird for me. Oh my god, I almost forgot. I'm going to quickly prime my face with, we'll go in with the Wet n Wild Impossible Primer here. I think this is such a weird primer because it literally falls out of the tube and I drop it almost every time. But the way it mattifies the skin is pretty cool. Has a nice texture too. I really actually like it. Okay, now we're gonna start buffing it on the skin. Let's see. That is not the best match ever, but we'll make it work. Okay, and let's try the Catrice True Skin concealer with it. I had this in another shade and I couldn't even like focus on how the concealer wore because it was just so yellow. I hated it, so let's try this. Everyone raves about it and I want to understand the hype a little bit. It's very creamy. I like this applicator a lot. Isn't it funny that the applicator can make you like enjoy concealer more? Going to add some hydration back because I feel like I'm just so not hydrated. Supposedly this concealer is supposed to be waterproof as well, so that's an interesting claim. So right now the base feels dry, but it looks really good. Looks very skin-like, but still has good coverage. So I'm not gonna lie, the skin is kind of skinning right now. Like, girl, this is not bad at all. Right now is the time of bronzers for me. I have two bronzers that I bought recently, cream bronzers. Actually, technically, there's a lot more, but these are the two that I'm most excited about and that I have out here. So the BFF Pink Honey Frosting, which looks like this, and the Doll Beauty Gimme Sun Bronzer. So these are the two that I have. This one's a little bit like more red undertone This one looks perfect. Why don't we try one on both sides? One on each side. I'm gonna use two different contour brushes. Similar kind of kitty paw here. I'm gonna try this Gimme Sun one on my right side here. Ooh, I love this color already. I love like the yellowish undertone. The I've been to the beach all summer vibe. That's so pretty. It's not like super pigmented, so I like it because it's easy to blend out. It's also not super dewy. It's just perfectly, I would say, like a little satiny, adds the perfect warmth to the face. Beautiful. I like that a lot. I'm very excited to use it. But let's try on the other side. The pink honey cream, the pink honey frosting. I've heard so much about this on TikTok, it's not even funny. I chose the shade Hot Cocoa. I had a really hard time picking shades, but we'll see how this works here. So it's a little more red undertone. Still has like a good warmth to it though. Definitely more reddish. I definitely prefer the other one a little bit more color-wise. And this one is a lot more pigmented. As you can see on my forehead, this one is just more yellow tone and this one is way more red. Have to go in with a lighter hand. Cute though. So I've been kind of dabbling in bronzers recently and I'm obsessed. I love bronzing now. And the same with blushes. I am a blush girly right now. For blushes, I haven't really bought any new ones recently, but I have really been obsessed with my two Made by Mitchell blushes, Peach Sugar and Melon Sorbet. So I'm going to use that today. Put a little bit of Peach Sugar on first, outer side a little bit. I think I need to get a new one. Mine is still drying out a little bit, but so freaking pretty. And then a little bit of Melon Sorbet in the middle for more towards the apples. Oh, just love these. These colors are to die for. Made by Mitchell really did that. I have been obsessed with Made by Mitchell recently. Let's just blend this in here. And for shits and giggles, I really want to try this Beauty Crop highlighter on my cheekbones, just because I feel like liquid highlighters have so much potential, but I just can't figure out how to work them sometimes. So I have a sponge here. I feel like I need to use my fingers actually. Let's try this. Not bad, not bad. I feel like they're really pretty, but they just have to be on like almost bare skin. I think they would look better. Let me finish my powder and then we'll finish the eyes. I'm gonna go in with the D309 lash from Dodo Lashes. I like these because they're winged out a little bit, but they're super dramatic. I have not worn a dramatic lash in a hot minute. I am so excited to put these on my eyes, but they are very, kind of getting old. Kind of got to take care of them a little better. They have a lot of glitter on them from other makeup looks, which is fine, but okay, let's see. I'm going to put a little bit of liner on. I'm gonna try the All Smudge No Budge because I really want to find a liner that does not budge on me. I'm gonna put it on my upper lash line and I'm gonna put it on my upper waterline. That added just enough. I think that it makes a huge difference. I'm going to put my lashes on now. Put this one on first. I'm so... Oh no. The lashes are on. Oh my god. I used to wear these all the time, but I haven't worn dramatic lashes like this in a while, so this is like super intense to me. But it looks pretty, I think. I think it looks really pretty actually. We're gonna wipe this bake off. I've been liking using like foundation powder to wipe off or to set wipe my bake. Oh my god. That's like baked. Just so that there's not so much paleness from the extra powder. I'll keep my under eyes light, but then I'll go over everything else with foundation powder. And I am a little bit sweaty right now, so... Okay, for the last couple steps, we're gonna go in with bronzer. I got this bronze book from Made by Mitchell. Like I said, everything Made by Mitchell right now, okay? This is just a dream. I love. We're gonna try a little bit of Cheeky and Ain't It Almond. Kind of mix those two together. I'm guessing they're gonna be pretty pigmented. I'm kind of scared actually. Nice warm bronzer. Ooh, I really like that combo. Yes! Not surprised, honestly. I don't know the last time I didn't like a Made by Mitchell product. Damn, this bake is like baked, dude. Oh my god. I've never ever had that harsh of a bake line. For powder blush, since we're on a Made by Mitchell train, let's just go all the way. Made by Mitchell Blursh book. Bro, Made by Mitchell, he just got it, okay? Okay, we're gonna go a little bit more risky today since we're going really bright. Let's try more of a coral. We're gonna try this, a little bit of Making Me Blursh and just a tad Pink Peachy Friday. They both have shimmer in it, which is not my journey all the time, but it's totally fine, especially for today's look. It's definitely more like not your everyday wearable look, so I'm okay with the more sheeniness of it. It's still pretty wearable, honestly, like for how bright it looks in the pan. Okay, I am getting carried away, but I'm okay with this pink moment. Let's go. To blend it in a little bit, I'm gonna go in with a little bit of Milkshake and Thrilljoy just to blend it in, like kind of like a mid-tone blush moment. So not such a aggressively pink. A little bit on the nose. And today for highlight, let's go like super, glam. Ow, I just hit myself in the head. Let's go super like pink, aggressively pink. We're gonna go for Phenomena and go right on top here. The pink moment. I will set my face. Let this dry down. And I'm gonna do lips. So we're gonna go like kind of a pink. Damn, the blush is blushing right now, okay? We're gonna go in with a pinky moment. I'm gonna go in with Made by Mitchell again. I'm gonna go in with Turnt. It's a little very light nude on me. A little bit of a Milani Sweet Tea in the middle, just to define the lips a little bit more. We're gonna try Pink Pina. Nope. Don't like that. We're gonna go in with Tease again. Let's try it. I want to define the lips a little bit more. Oh my god, I feel like I've been here for 1,000 hours. This is the final look. If you enjoyed this video, then please subscribe. And follow me on Instagram. I'm so happy to play with color. I am obsessed with this look. Shout out to Stacey Marie for providing all the inspo ever. And hopefully I'll see you the next time, probably in a few months with all the newness again. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.